My name is Fatima and I'm obsessed with multinational cuisine, flavors and textures. I teach a lot of children to cook and quite often it's the dessert that they really like. So in this masterclass, I'm going to show you some of the recipes that the kids really enjoy the most. So let's get on with it. Okay, let's start with my baked cheesecake. Okay, so we are going to start with the base. So I've made some earlier, but I'm just going to show you. So you have your biscuit in a food bag and you just roll it. You can also put it in a food processor just until it's just fine crumbs. There you have it. So simple. Up. What we're gonna put, so with our base, we're gonna melt the butter. Okay. So on low heat again, and just keep an eye on it. It shouldn't take long. So you take your base. What you can do, have the tin ready, put the base. Okay, so you spread it all around. And then let's just watch our butter. Yep, that's done. Okay, so just pour the butter onto the crumbs. Try to make sure that it covers all the crumbs. Up. And then, so it's quite hot, so just be careful. What you can do, you can mix it. Okay. And then just pat the base. So we want it. Now it's not hot anymore, so I'm just going to use my hand. Okay. So I'm happy with it now. And what we are going to do is just put this in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees. Okay. So I have my base that I've made earlier. So I'm just going to take it out of the oven and just place it on the side. It will cool off while we're going to do the cream filling. Okay, so what have I got there? The cream cheese. I'm going to pick my whisk and we are going to beat it for 30 seconds. Again, it's a workout, but it has to be done. So 30 seconds. Okay. Okay, it's fluffy, so that's perfect. I'm gonna grab the spatula just to add my cream. Okay, there you go. That's some nice creme fraiche, full fat. You know what, if you're going to eat a cheesecake, then you might as well go for the full version, right? So, okay. And then another 30 seconds of whisking. So your arms are going to be strong after that. You lose the calorie. Okay, so that's nice and fluffy. Up. Let's add the lemon zest. Up. Ooh, making a mess. Let's add the lemon zest. Okay. So it's going to give a nice flavor, and also it's just going to be perfect just to balance the toppings that we're going to have. So again, whisk it, just make sure it's all there, Now we're gonna add the sugar. Again, it's already yellow. Yummy. Oh, perfect. Okay, now let's add the egg one by one. One. Two. And three. Let's give it a good whisk. Okay. See that rich yellow color. Okay. Now let's add the milk. There you go. And whisk it again. There you go. Just want to make sure it's smooth. Perfect. And the last bit, the flour. So the flour just gives like a firm consistency to the cheesecake. So yeah, it's just important. Otherwise, it won't set. So there you go. Okay, so back to my base. That's now cooled down a bit. What I'm gonna do, we are gonna pour the mix into the base. I've got my spatula here, just don't want to lose anything. So here you go. You just pour it. Okay. That is looking good. Okay. Right. We're going to pop this in the oven. So just be careful because it's quite liquid, so just want to make sure that it doesn't fall. Pop this in the oven for 10 minutes at 180 degrees and then an hour at 90 degrees. Okay, so what I have is my cheesecake ready. Look at that. So I've made that one earlier. It's all set. It's been in the fridge for 6 hours. So I'm just gonna put that here. Yes. And look at that. So it's gold, it's set, it's perfect. So what we're gonna do, let's just be creative. I'm gonna add my strawberries, raspberries, sorry. Okay. Yes. Yes. One more. Okay. I've got some meringue and it's lemon meringue, of course. Let's do this. Okay. Let's just add some icing sugar. And see, so just sprinkle all over. And again, that's perfect to balance the sour taste of the raspberries. And then just to decorate, because after all it is a lot of biscuit cheesecake, you just place them in the center. There you have it, my New York baked cheesecake with raspberry, meringues and lot of biscoff.